Welcome to training session. We have 265 sessions. First, we convert the screen to 3D. So, click on the Home button from the View Cube tool. From the 3D tool menu, select MeshBox option. Click on the first corner, and with second click, the next corner is highlighted. Now, it's time to determine the height of the box. So simple. Using Orbit command, rotate the shape in 3D. Look at the screen. Next command is MeshCylinder. First, we determine the center and the radius by moving the mouse and clicking. And with the third click, its height is determined. Now again, with the Orbit command, we rotate the shapes in 3D. From Home menu, select the Arc command. As you can see, you have many choices. You will learn all of them as you learn the lessons. By selecting first option, shape of the arc is drawn by specified 3-point. Shape of the arc depends on arrangement of the points. Next command is rectangle. First, we click one corner of the rectangle and another corner. Rectangle is drawn. Thanks for watching. Please support us by subscribing channel.